Hi dear friends, my name is Tatiana, Life and Glow Wellness, and this is the first video on this more informal channel with some wellness tips, recipes and some other adventures. Today I would like to teach you how to create a popular Russian salad. We call it beauty salad. I cook it usually in 3 different variations. The base of the salad is the carrots. You can take a few smaller carrots or one bigger one, say for 1 or 2 portions. And also you take walnuts, an orange, a couple of small ones, or one big one would be enough. It all depends how many portions you want to create. I give you for like 1 big portion or 2 smaller ones. Some people prefer more orange or more carrots. It's just up to you. Basically, you take carrots, you grate them, and then you take 1 or 2 oranges, also dried apricots or a mango. You can also combine mango and dried apricots if you want. Another ingredient is walnuts, and also I put some sour cream and a bit of honey. Now, if you don't eat dairy, then you just skip sour cream. If you are concerned about sweet things, so just skip honey or take very little of it. So this is how much you get from the amount which I showed earlier. Mangoes were quite sour actually because they were not very ripe. However, honey helped to make it a little bit sweeter. Here on the picture you can see the version with dried apricots. And the third version is with oat. For some reason, just like this word sounds really weird to me now as a foreigner. Anyways, you take the oats, whatever you have, put some hot water, or I usually put not boiling water, but just a little bit hot, warm water, I would say, and just wait a little bit to let them soften. Of course, it's always better to take unprocessed oatmeals and oatmeals. All right, so, it's good for breakfast or a light lunch or dinner. I would suggest not to combine it with anything else, just eat it on its own and enjoy its nutritional value. And also you can play with ingredients to see what kind of taste you like more in terms of proportions. Subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Let me know what you like to eat to sustain your beauty and youth. And I will be back very soon with the next video. Приятного аппетита!